Many people have asked how to do the last round in Glo-Bus. Here are 5 business simulation coach secrets for the last round. Secret number 1, facilities stop. Increasing the size of your factory by installing more workstations requires that you pay more money. You need more than 1 year to get a payback on that investment. That means that you should not do a workstation increase in the final year. It won't pay off. And that goes for robots, corporate social responsibility and citizenship escalation, and anything else for which you need a multiple year payback. This is important. That's why it is secret number 1. Secret number 2, increase your PQ a bit. Your last round is 1/3 of your image rating score, because image is only scored as the average over the last 3 rounds. As such, you're going to want to increase your PQ to get that image up. But there is no need to do it randomly. Instead, focus your efforts on getting your image up for the least cost in EPS. And one of these lovely product design decisions may even allow you to increase your image for free. Free money. Yay! Secret number 3, increase your year-over-year dividend. The creators of Glo-Bus are really smart. They read business studies for lunch. As such, they invented a business simulation that mirrors the real world. And in the real world, stock repurchases pay well over time, and a dividend will unpredictably shake up the market. Last round, make a year-over-year increase in your dividend. Secret number 4, get your credit rating up. Credit rating score, like stock price, only counts on the very last round. Credit rating is dictated by these 3 metrics in the lower right-hand corner of the finance and cash flow. It is changed by the amount of debt, equity, and cash that you have on hand. Be careful. Don't go so close to the edge with your dividends and share repurchases that you lose out on credit rating in the last round. Sit firmly in a safe credit rating. The last secret is a little quirky. It has to do with retailer support. It turns out that the retailers that carry your product are a lot like you and your company. They have to make all of their decisions at the beginning of the year. This means that they only use information from last year's retailer support budget that you spent on them to make their decisions on whether to stock your product or not. They will never see your current retailer support budget spending for the year ahead. Can you see what a CEO desperate for a bonus in their last year can do? That's right. Reduce that retailer support to 0. And there are no repercussions, because before they can drop you as a supplier, the game is over. Look at all the money you will save. Is that even legal though? If you like this content, please like it. Or post a comment below about how the last tip isn't even ethical. But if you do want something ethical, learn about how to create a free Glo-Bus forecasting sheet to easily and correctly fill in those pesky red numbers at the bottom of the marketing pages. Subscribe and then hit the link in the description.